Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you what to do if downloader stopped working on your Android TV. What application to use as an alternative or a replacement. So this is going to be an educative video, and I would recommend you watch it right up to the end carefully, step by step. And also, if you find it helpful or very creative, please do well to drop a like, subscribe and share, because this is going to encourage the channel and help creators like me to be able to create more videos. So that's it, let's get started. So as I said, I want to show you what applications to use in any case that downloader stop working on your Android TV, or if downloader is misbehaving on your Android TV. You can use this new application as an alternative because it is just going to work just the same like downloader, and I'm going to be showing you every single step on this video. So what I'm about to show you is compatible on any Android TV device. For my video, I'm using my Android TV box called Sling TV. You can check it out in the description. And also, if you watch, I'm using my mouse to navigate on my Android TV. So my Android TV allows me to use a USB cable mouse to pair along on my Android TV, but I could also use my remote. It's just that I find the remote harder to use, especially for videos like this, than my mouse. So if your Android TV box allows you this feature, good and fine. But if it don't, you can go ahead and use your mouse. But anyway, let's get started. So on my Android TV, here is my downloader application. And to install downloader is easy. To go back to any browser and search downloader. Out of the options, you choose the option from Google Play Store. So if I go back to downloader over here, let's see. I want to type in a code like 10381, which is the code we use to install the online application. And you search, this is going to lead you to a site like this, and this is the online application that you can go ahead and install over here without any issues from the download application. So I just want to show you how this could work on the download application. So when I go to alternative app, you see literally the same thing. So this is, for instance, this is the first code. Let's try another code. If I go over here, try in this code. Let me try another code and just show you. So for instance, if I try in this code 85541, this is a code to install Kodi to your Android TV or Fire Stick. So this is a code. If you type in the code, this is what is going to happen. It is going to redirect you to the page to install or download the Kodi application to your Android TV, and as you can see, these two codes are working perfectly on downloader. So let's say hypothetically downloader stop working, or just like sometimes you will to wake up and downloader has a problem, the application has been shut down for a while. So let's just assume that for a moment the application stopped working and you want to use it, you want to type in codes like I just did to install application. What can you do in such a situation? Let me show you what application to use what application to use. So I'm going to start by uninstalling this. So I want to go all the way to using application. So what you do is you can use this new application that is created by DocScript. The application is called FireSend. Here's it over here. At the end of this video, I will show you how to download and install it to your Android TV. So what you do is I go out to the application, I go ahead and launch it, and this is how it is going to look like. So as I said, if downloader stop working, you can use this application to type in your download code and still do well in installing the same application that you would have done with on the application or with the download application. So once you are here, please come down to the option that says browser. Here's it over here, the second option. Go over to it. Now the application is newly created or it's newly released, so it is not yet 100% done or finished effective. You might experience some little mistake or some little lag. Do not worry, the application is still in development. So the application is created by YouTube creator DocScript. You can check them out on YouTube. So once you're here, click on browser. Once you come to browser, there is an option. So there is search, enter URL, and there is downloader code. So there is a feature on this application for you to type in downloader code. That's what I want us to try in this video, and I already showed you with two examples of downloader codes how they work. So those two downloader codes, let's try them here in this application. Rather, let's just assuming that downloader stopped working or you don't want to use downloader again. So go over here and click on the downloader code option, and there is an option for you to type in a code. And the very first thing you notice is that the only keypad that pop up here is a numeric keypad. So there is no the letter keypad like we have in a normal download application, which for me it feels good. It is easier to type in numbers where you have those numbers suggested to you than where you have alphabets like in the download application. So anyway, when share here, so this means that in this case you can only use a downloader code, but you can use browsing keywords like you can do on downloader. So let's say 10381 is the first code. So let's type it down and let's go ahead and launch. And once you launch, this is what would happen, or this is what we're going to experience on the new application. Let us give it a moment. So it's going to redirect us like it did on the download application. As you can see, the application is going to start downloading and we can install it to our Android TV just like we would normally do on the downloader application. And that's it. You can use this as a replacement for downloader. So that is the first option. Says, do you want to delete the installation file? I love this because it gives you the option to delete the installation file. So that's the first option. Once you type in, let's go ahead and try the second code to see if it's going to work just the same. So that's the first code, and the second code was installed on link the coding application. So you see the same thing. You go over here, click on downloader code. I type in this code 855. Okay, not 855. 85541. So the same thing like we did with the first code, and as you can see, it's going to go straight away to the same way and redirect us or redirect you to the page where you install that coding application using that link. So as I said, you can really use this application as an alternative to downloader if for some reasons downloader stop working for you. So that's how the application works. So now how do you install it to your Android TV? It is very simple. You go over to your browser. So you go over to your browser, just any browser that you want, and in the search box just go ahead and type in the name of the application. So for example, I use my Google browser and I go over here, I type in the name of the application, FireSend. The reason I'm using my browser is because the application is available on the Google Play Store, and if I use my browser I can be able to install the application from Google Play Store without any problem. So you can see here's the application over here. I can simply install it. I already have it installed, so just going to show up on the page your first time to ask you to type in or log into your Google account, and once you do that you'll be able to install the application to your Android TV. So that's about this video, and if you find it helpful, let me know in the comment section. So this application is very helpful. You can use it as an alternative to download that, or if downloader stop working, you can use this application for the same purpose. Like and subscribe if you find the video educative.